Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dominique Intriago. I'm a part of Dr. G's Chemistry 1 laboratory class, and today I'm going to be talking about Experiment 7, a cycle of copper reactions. The chemicals we're going to be using today are copper, Cu, nitric acid, HNO3, sodium hydroxide, a 6M concentration, NaOH, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, hydrochloric acid, HCl, and magnesium, Mg. The techniques that are used for this experiment is centrifugation, which is used to separate particles, solid from liquid, also called the supernatant, by their size, density, which is what we're going to be using today, shape, viscosity, and Browder speed. Then it would be decantation, process for separation of a liquid from a solid, in our case the precipitate leaving the solid in a container. Heating, the concentration of heat with a Bunsen burner. Liquid transfer, using pipette to transfer precise volume of liquid. Precipitation, which is the solid formed by a chemical reaction or temperature change that decreases the solubility of a solid. And washing, the cleaning of impurities from a precipitate. In part A of the experiment, we turned the copper metal into copper to nitrate. The bronze-colored solid copper wire was dissolved into the clear nitric acid solution, which produced a brown nitrogen dioxide gas and a blue clear aqueous solution of copper to nitrate. In part B, the copper to nitrate was turned into copper to hydroxide. The blue copper to nitrate solution reacts with a clear sodium hydroxide solution when centrifuged and produce a solid royal blue precipitate of copper to hydroxide and a clear supernatant solution of sodium nitrate. In part C of the experiment, the copper to hydroxide was turned into copper to oxide. The royal blue solid copper to hydroxide reacts with heat to produce a black solid copper to oxide and water, H2O gas, when fully evaporated. In part D of the experiment, copper to oxide was turned into copper to sulfate. The black solid copper to oxide dissolves in the clear sulfuric acid solution and produces a light blue colored copper sulfate aqueous solution in water, H2O. In part E, the copper to oxide was turned into copper to sulfate. The light blue copper sulfate aqueous solution reacts with the black and silver colored solid magnesium to produce a bronze colored solid powder of copper and a clear aqueous solution of magnesium sulfate. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.